What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Benedict Easy, and today we are back with another video on a Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whatever time. I don't know what time you're gonna be seeing this video. For this video, I'm gonna be reviewing sneakers. These are the Fear of God Spruce. I don't know. Hold on. Give me a second, okay? I have a bad habit of buying shoes and actually not wearing them for a long time. And I mean, hold on, I have a good excuse why I haven't worn these. These are actually like, I feel like these are like winter shoes because they're like boots. The Fear of God Frosted Spruce. So I was supposed to get both of them, the Frosted Spruce and the Orange Pulse, but you know how it is, my people. Sneakers always dishing out L's like everywhere. But we got a W for W for these ones, and I'm actually very excited because I know like some of the people on here have actually been asking me to do a review about it, and I was actually gonna like push it further to do like a full on review with other stuff that I got this past month. But yeah, I just said I'm just gonna do the review. What else? Like, why not? So if you're on this channel for the first time, subscribe and turn on the post notification button and stay tuned for more videos. And if you've been here, thank you for being here and staying with me, and let's just stay together. You know, we're a family now. Like, now you're here, we're a family. You can take my last name, Ezem. You're now an Ezem. Welcome to the family. So it actually came in a huge box. Like, I already opened it. Yeah, well, I always do that because I'm obviously always curious to see the shoes I get, and also just so I make sure they fit and all that. The box, obviously ordered from Nike, you know, and there's a just do it tape, nice and all. Let's just take it out the box first of all. And right off the back, we can see this box is beautiful. Like, this is a box that you would buy and then you would keep like for like a home decoration. Like, I don't know, this is beautiful. Orange, so nice. I don't know why, to be honest, like why it's orange when it's the, I don't know, that's just me. This is the first Fear of God I've like owned. The OGs, I tried to get those, like, but I couldn't get them because I had to travel. But that's by the way. Yeah, let's get into let's go inside and see what it is about this shoe. It comes with a bag right here. This is a tote bag for, like, you know, nowadays in Boston they stopped the free bags, you know, like when you buy groceries or like you buy like shoes, whatever. You get like a bag. I'm gonna show you guys the bag, honestly, so you get like a bag just like that, exactly. But now we have to buy these guys. It's 5 cents. I don't know, it's a lot of money to spend. 5 cents is a lot of money to spend on a paper bag. Like, I like, imagine you just spent like what, $20 on groceries, and then they tell you 5 cents. 5 cents, come on now. But back to the point. It comes with a tote bag, so this is what you can use to get your groceries, guys. This is gonna be nice. I don't know, imagine walking out with some like shoes you just made a huge W on, and you just like flexing on them with these like Fear of God tote bag. It's really dope. But it has this, I don't know, everything is all like foily. I don't know. In this little bag over here, and mind you, this is the first time I'm opening all of this. So I'm literally opening all of this first time for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay, back to the video. yeah, it has laces, obviously, like green laces. Wait, what laces are on there? All right, I want to see the laces that are on there because these are green. I don't know if they're extra pairs, like just an extra pair of laces, or it's just like a different color. I don't know. But in here we have, oh, pretty unnecessary, but we have like we have these. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, let me do the thing that the makeup girls do. You have this thing right here. If it puts in focus, yeah, it says fear of God on there, which is pretty, is that straight? Yeah, it says fear of God. And then you just have another one that's not transparent. So like, if you see both of them, it would look like that. Yeah. Obviously you have a shoe tag right there. This shoe tag, I don't know, I think it glows in the dark. I'm gonna try it out and test it and see if it actually does. Alright, so that's a fail. This actually does not glow in the dark. I'm sorry. Let's get the lights back on. But yeah, and it says obviously Air, Fear of God, and the other side is just a Nike Just Do It logo. Yeah, that's what that one is. And then in the bag are the shoes. Like I said, guys, everything is covered in like foil or this like silver material. I don't know why, but in here you have the shoes. Oh my goodness, these are dope. I don't know. Yeah, first thing I noticed is the smell. It smells like glue. Oh, remember when I was talking about the laces? Those are just extra laces apparently, so that's just pretty unnecessary. I don't know why you would need like more than you need two of the same kind of laces. I guess like doesn't make any sense. For $350, is that really what you have? These shoes cost $350 and they couldn't provide even like a different color of lace, like at least white. Like I get it's green shoes, but white laces could go with green. I don't know, but that's beside the matter. But here you can zip down. If I can get it to zip all the way down. These remind me of Chelsea boots, guys. I don't know. You zip down and it has like it's a pretty well padded shoe, to be honest. Like I said, this is not really like a summer shoe, and this is not what I'm really not gonna break into these for like another like 3 months till when it actually gets into the winter proper. And like if I'm actually gonna play basketball in these, I haven't hooped in a long time. If I'm gonna play basketball in these, it would be indoors, because I don't know, these are too precious to. Do you hear that? I know the traction is really good, but they're too precious for me to spoil outside. Like I would never bring these outside. But yeah, so these are basically going to be saved for the winter. I'm going to see the other foot to see if there's really a difference. So I'm just going to like, yeah, and just as I thought, there's really nothing more to the shoes. If I was to put a personal price tag on these, like I would give this like a $200 price tag, to be honest, because like I don't know if I'm wrong, but these give me off like LeBron vibe, like LeBron's like. And what? How much LeBron's cost? I mean, LeBron's are only like $265.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know. I'll research that, but
bro,
LeBron's are like $265, and these are like $350. So I don't know. But for my resellers out there, if you need advice about this, don't get this for resale. Shoes like these, the first one obviously makes a big sale, and then the ones after that is like. But yeah, if you want to get this for personal cop, yeah, definitely go ahead. $350. Blow that money. But if you can find an alternative, I would advise you to get an alternative. It's just not worth the price, man. Come on, Jerry. So yeah, if you've gotten to the end of this video, please leave a comment on what you think. Let me know what you think about this these shoes. If you've seen the shoes and you decide to cop it, and you just want to, I don't know, if you want to just talk about the shoes, what do you think about, like, do you feel like I'm wrong when I say these shoes are not that great to be priced $350, or do you think they're good for $350, or you think they should cost more? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah, so if you come to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thank you for all the 100 subscribers that have obviously subscribed to the channel. I'm so grateful, because like I just started YouTube like what, a week ago, but I feel like I feel like you guys have made me feel at home in YouTube, on YouTube. I don't know, but thank you for everyone that shared my channel, subscribed, liked, obviously. Just keep supporting and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Yeah, and have a good rest of your day.